If you want to be a leader of others, then you need to be able to earn trust and gain influence from them. That requires you to build a relationship based on personal connections that you have with them. But personal connections is something that takes time. You can speed up the process of establishing that personal connection, and one way of doing it is by contributing to the success of others. Another way that you can speed up that process of developing those personal connections is to take ownership. Have the ownership mindset and speak the language of ownership. When you take ownership, you get your work done and you deliver the desired results consistently. So others don't have to worry about your work. And when they don't have to worry about your work, it gives them that peace of mind. Gradually over time, as people around you have that peace of mind about your work, they start to see you as a reliable person. And in this video, we are going to talk about reliability. Why reliable leaders make you feel safe. Specifically, I'm going to talk about what exactly is reliability in the context of first-time leadership. I'm also going to look at what does it really do for you and for the people around you. And most importantly, how can you start to be seen as a reliable leader starting right now? This video is based off Principle 22, Reliability or Liability. Principle 22 is part of the 30 principles of first-time leadership, that unique combination of traits that will allow anyone to be a successful leader. To find out more about the 30 principles of first-time leadership, there's a link in the description below. Just click on it. What is reliability? Peace of mind is what others have. When you take ownership, you do your job well, and you produce the desired results on a consistent manner. It is that consistency that allows people to not worry. Now, what exactly is consistency? If you look it up in the dictionary or on the internet, and in the context particularly of first-time leadership, consistency is really about having the same behavior or producing the same kind of results. When you are consistent and you are able to produce the same level of results, people have that peace of mind. They're not worried about the piece of work that you do, because when you do that work, you can produce that results. The thing is that with peace of mind, it tends to be tied very much to the work that you do. So here's an example. When you have done a particular piece of work long enough and over a regular period of time, people know that you're able to deliver that particular result. But if you were to go to a whole different part of the organization or take on additional assignments or new projects, the people around that particular area, that new project, for example, they don't know if you're able to produce that results. And so do they really have a peace of mind about it? Probably not. And that's why I say, in my view, peace of mind tends to be tied to the work, and is very much work specific. So the key difference when it comes to reliability and being seen as a reliable person, it's really about meeting expectations. So if peace of mind that others have is when you are able to do your work well and you're able to consistently deliver results, then after a period of time, there's a level of expectations about what you are able to do. When you can continuously meet those expectations that other people have, they start to see you as reliable. What does reliability really do for you and for the people around you? Being seen as reliable means that you continuously are able to meet expectations, that you're able to do your job, deliver the results. People feel safe in working with you. And it's something that actually carries with you. So let me give you an example. If you were to go on to take on new assignments or a new project, which is something that you have not done before, others may not have that peace of mind when it comes to your ability to deliver the desired results. Because quite frankly, you have not done this project before. but they know from your past history that you are a reliable person. So there's enough trust and influence when you enter this new project that people feel that you are able to get the job done, that they feel safe enough to have you involved. Reliability is like a reputation that carries with you. It's very different from having that peace of mind, which is very work specific. Like I said one more time, reliability and being seen as a reliable leader, whether you are in your own role, looking after your own work, or you're leading others, is something that you carry around all the time. When you are seen as a reliable leader, whether it's in your own work or in the role of leading others, people feel safe. They feel that they can put their success in your hands and you can deliver them to that success. And when you are seen as reliable, it's much easier to earn trust and gain influence. Guard your reputation of being seen as a reliable leader well. Make sure you actively manage it. Because I want to take about a minute or so to explain the opposite of being seen as a reliable leader. And that's to be seen as a liability. Now, nobody wants to work with someone who is seen as a liability. When you are seen as a liability, others question your ability to get the job done, to deliver the desired results. They may not want to approach you even if you have the expertise or even if you are the leader, because when you are a liability, you bring an unknown and unnecessary amount of risk to others and to their success. And everybody is trying to minimize risk. When you are seen as a liability, you have little influence or trust with others. In fact, when others do extend trust to you, it is usually highly conditional. Being seen as a liability usually starts to happen when you are not contributing or taking ownership consistently on the work that you do and the results that you deliver. Sure, everyone makes mistakes once in a while, but when there's a pattern of you not delivering results, not being able to take ownership over those mistakes, then other people don't know what to make of you. They don't know whether if they were to include you or seek your expertise or your leadership, that if something happened, that you're not going to fix it. And that's what people don't want. So when you are seen as a liability, it really cripples your ability to lead others. You become that unknown factor is something that a lot of people would rather avoid. So hope you have gotten value out of this video so far, and if you do, please give me that thumbs up, that like button really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you've not yet subscribed to First Time Leadership, do click on that subscribe button so that you can be notified of the latest videos when they come out. So I've talked about giving others that peace of mind, because when others have the peace of mind, they're not worried about the work that you do. And when they don't have to worry about the work that you do over a longer period of time, they start to develop expectations, and when you continuously meet those expectations, they see you as reliable. They see you as someone who is safe to work with, or in some cases even to work for. Your reliability is a reputation that you carry around, so make sure that you actively manage it, guard it, because the opposite of being seen as reliable is to be seen as a liability. So that's pretty much it from me with regards to being a reliable leader. So hopefully now you understand why reliable leaders make you feel safe. In any case, my name is Daniel Lee from First Time Leadership. I'll see you soon.